Hello, this is April 30th, Thursday number talk. I ran out of time for our calendar, during our calendar to add number talks on the end of them. So I'm going to do another YouTube video today on just the 5 and 10 frames fun for Thursday number talks. So remember, Thursday number talks, the 5 and 10 frame fun is just like our quick images. So I'm going to show you the slide quickly. You're going to have to try and figure it out, and then I'm going to show you a blank slide after that so you can think about what number was shown. Okay, are you ready? Did you see what number was shown? 8. Very good. If you looked at that 10s frame, there were 2 empty spots. And since you know, here, I'll go back. Right here, you can see the 2 empty spots in the whole 10s frame. So you know that you can go 10, take away 2 to get 8. So you don't have to count and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All you need to know is that if the whole thing was filled up, it would be 10, but we need to take 2 away because there's 2 empty spots, right? All right, so we came up with 8. Let's look at our next picture. All right, what number was shown? 10, right, because every single dot in our 10s frame was full. So we know right away, without needing to count, that there were 10 dots there. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, now that one was a little bit trickier. Let's go back before I show you. So there was a whole 10s frame right here, so we know we need to count on from 10. Here's 10, but if you look at this second 10s frame right here, how many spots are missing? 1, 2, right? There are 2 spots that are missing in our 10s frame. So just like before, when there were 2 squares that were missing in our 10s frame, we knew 10 take away 2 was 8. So if you look at this quickly, we can see 10 and 8 together equals 18. So there were 18 dots there. All right, let's look at our next one. Okay, how many were there? 20, right. If you take both of those, you can count by 10s. You can go 10, 20. Because they're full. 10, 20. 20 was our answer. All right, let's look at our next 10s frame. Okay, how many were there? 30. Awesome. If you got 30, it was because you counted by 10s. You saw that there were 3 10s frames that were filled. So you went 10, 20, 30. You knew 30. There are 30 dots there, and it would take quite a while to be able to count all individual dots, but we knew that there were 30. All right, thank you so much, KA. Have an awesome day.